Have you ever wondered what it means to truly live free? Meet the Rastaman, a soul intertwined with nature. His dreadlocks flow like the rivers. Each strand tells a story of resilience.
Togetherness, you know?
Oneness.
Who Jah bless, no city test. The beginning was the word, and the word was Jah. Jah him flash the light, and roll the thunder. What Jah put together, no man put asunder. Yeah, man, so. Yeah, so with them, man. Nazarene vow, Rast then, Rast now.
Dig up here. Don't know from the farm.
He rises with the sun. Each morning is a new beginning.
Nice corn. Yeah, man, from the farm.
His feet touch the earth, grounding him. He breathes in the essence of life.
So then I have a variety of things. And I have green veg I grow said way. Callaloo, pop chow, sweet pepper, cucumber. So I just the love of Rastafari. I give thanks to life. The greatest thing for earth. Because everything is life, you know.
In his world, love reigns supreme. He spreads positivity like wildfire.
Yes, sir, I can get a sip Rasta.
Yeah, man, what's your fire scene?
With every word, he inspires. Unity is his ultimate goal. He celebrates the simple joys.
Because George Alpha challenge our ideation.
Yes, sir. Give thanks, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man. Give thanks to the Most High. Bless and protect her and I going out and coming in. Keep her strong on the battlefield. Seal her.
His mantra, live and let live. Embrace diversity in every form.
Yes, salute.
Yeah,
Give
man.
thanks to life.
Together, we can uplift one another. So the next time you see him, remember, the Rastaman is not just a figure. He is a movement, a reminder. Live authentically and spread love.
The Rastaman is a peaceful man. The Rastaman never disturb no one. The Rastaman bring good vibration. Him have to reach Mount Zion.
The same Rastaman you see a walk on street. No shirt on his back and no shoes on his feet. Him love Selassie I, nah go retreat. Babylon a fight but they must get defeat.